Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Look what came out at Walgreens. Brand new flipping palettes by Wet n Wild. These are so pretty. So pretty. That is currently what I'm wearing. I'm going to show you an eyeshadow tutorial. If you guys don't care about the eyeshadow tutorial, you can just click, zoom forward to this number right here that I'll post, and I'll just give you my final opinion. But I am going to show you the eyeshadow. I am comparing an eyeshadow primer as well in this video. Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden on one eye, and then I'm trying out this Maybelline Master 410 Prime and Smooth on the other eye, and I'm actually going to see if one is better than the other. But anyways, getting back to this beautiful Wet n Wild. If you guys don't want to watch the tutorial, just zoom forward to that number and you will get my final thoughts. Oh, FYI, before I forget, because I did forget to mention this, you do have to, on some of them, kind of get off the top coat a little bit, dip your brush in there a little bit more, and then it comes out better. So let's get started. On this eye, I'm going to be placing the Urban Decay. Let's see here. This is in the color Eden. I just placed a little bit on there. Now, getting a different brush, I'm going to place this on this eye, and let's see how this looks and feels. Let's go ahead and open up this Wet n Wild. These are the new shadows that they came out with at Walgreens. These were, I believe, $5.99. Let's go ahead and try them. Open this up. I do love the fact, this is why I got it, because it says transition color, transition color. I love that. Now, are they as pigmented? Let's go ahead and swatch a few of them. They actually look really nice. Really nice. Okay, so I'm going to try this top shade right up here. It says transition. It does not give the shade number, and if you are wondering what I'm using Rose in the Air. So, we're going to take this transition color and we're going to put it in the crease. Ooh, look at that color, guys. So, eyeshadow primers are supposed to enhance your eyeshadows as well. Make sure that they don't crease all day long. So, let's compare it with the Urban Decay over here. And do you see a difference? No, not really, right? I'm going to take this nice orangey shadow right here, and we're going to go right on top in more of that crease. Let's see, is there a difference? I don't see any difference. This red color, I'm going to go in the corner over here. Beautiful color. I'm going to go with just a flat packer brush, and I'm going to go with this nice shimmer color right there. I'm going to take the darkest shade right here in the palette and just kind of use it as an eyeliner. See how this turns out. I'm going to take that transition color and place it right below below my waterline here. I'm going to finish up my makeup. I will be right back. Okay, guys, so my final thoughts of this palette is that I thought it was absolutely amazing. You guys see the colors. I actually don't see the color difference between each primer, but I think that for $5.99, if you really don't want to go spend a lot of money and you want a lot of colors that have great pigmentation, I think they are great. The lady at Walgreens did say that they reformulated these, the formula, they reformulated it. I really don't know if that's true, and I don't know why they would, because the colors that they were currently making in 2017 were absolutely fabulous, but these are absolutely fabulous. They're very earth tony colors, and I do love the fact that it tells you transition color, transition color. So that is the first color that goes on in the crease, and then you put all the other colors however you please. But I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And if you could, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, please. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.